And Margot is just right this way, to the bridge. Yeah. And one more question. Is the bridge safe? Totally. It, I think it is safe. Yeah, look down. That's the longest way down. Well, let's get across this bridge. So that way we can catch Margot and turn everything back. Yeah, we just want to get revenge on him. Don't you mean payback? That's what we meant to say. And get payback on Amalgo from engulfing us. For some reason. Yeah, whatever you say. Well, and not just chatting around. Let's get across this old wooden bridge. And then get to Margot. Yeah, and get him back to jail again. I want to see him in jail. Me too, yeah, us too. Let's go. Watch your step. Whoa, this bridge is so old. Yeah, very old. Slow, steady. Steady, guys, steady. 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 Whoa. Whew. We made it. Now let's get to Margot.
I'll make sure you're apart forever. Abracadabra.
Oh my gosh, Zoe! I'm fine, Mike! Try to get across the bridge. I'm trying! I'll make sure you don't get across.
Abracadabra.
You'll never reach your friends now! Ooh, that Amongo is a mean magician. Yeah, and Pocoyo, Dizzy, and Zoe are on the other side of the bridge. But Amongo make the bridge disappear. How could they get across now? Zoe, can you find something? Well, I can try. I need my senses. And we'll help too, Zoe. Poco, you'll help too. Yeah. I'll look over there. Alright. Zoe, Dizzy, and Pocoyo are gonna look for something that can get to the other side. Unless Margot just made the bridge disappear. So they need to find a way to get to the other side. Yeah, curse Margot. Yeah, I do agree with that. We would get him back. What he did to us. Curse Margot.